Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the People's National Party PNP is rejecting any association with controversial voice notes that have sparked political debate. The party says the recordings did not originate from its executive and maintains that policy decisions are never discussed on WhatsApp. We have the details in this report. The controversial voice notes feature a male and female who are purportedly members of the PNP's national executive. They're heard commenting on Nara, which one of them described as the JLP's, quote, glory and savior for a fourth term, as the administration will do everything in its power to get things done by passing parish councils, which would probably engage in delay tactics. As it relates to NARA's head, Major General Anthony Anderson, the speaker suggested that because of his good public image, people will not easily be convinced by claims of corruption, and so the focus should instead be on broader issues surrounding the decision. The Jamaica Labour Party has described the voice notes as scandalous, arguing that the PNP's preparedness to implement delay tactics to slow down or block important national projects, which NARA will pursue, is disgraceful but not surprising. At Sunday's National Executive Council meeting, PNP President Mark Golding responded. He told the council he wanted to ensure he had the facts before speaking publicly on the matter. And after reviewing it, it was determined.
Firstly, the conversation in which those leaked recordings took place did not happen in any official party forum. Secondly, no officer of the party participated in that discussion. And thirdly, the PNP has no official NEC or executive WhatsApp group. That doesn't exist.
He further stated that party policy is never made on WhatsApp.
This was a WhatsApp group formed by individuals within the party, and the views expressed were their personal views.
It's why Mr. Golding stressed that the recordings do not represent the official position of the PNP or the party's policies.
The PNP takes responsibility for its official positions. Those are set by our constitutional organs, such as this National Executive Council or the Executive Committee of the party, and those that are communicated by our authorized representatives and shown through our public actions or through our public media outlets, social media outlets, and so on.